Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love cars and want to stay updated on the hottest releases, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's dive into today's review. The legend is back. Chevrolet has officially revived the iconic Bel Air for 2026, blending classic American style with modern technology. This isn't just a car, it's a tribute to one of the most beloved nameplates in automotive history. From its sleek design to cutting-edge features, the new Bel Air promises to be a game-changer in the world of sedans. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air is its stunning retro-inspired design. Chevrolet has masterfully combined the elegance of the 1950s with a futuristic touch. The front grille pays homage to the original Bel Air, featuring bold chrome accents and LED headlights that seamlessly merge vintage aesthetics with modern lighting technology. The body lines are smooth yet aggressive, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The rear is just as impressive, with classic tail fins reimagined in a sleek, aerodynamic way. Under the hood, the 2026 Bel Air offers a range of powerful engine options. The base model is expected to come with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, delivering impressive performance while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. For those craving more power, Chevrolet offers a 3.6-liter V6 that produces over 300 horsepower, ensuring a thrilling driving experience. And for the enthusiasts, rumors suggest a high-performance SS variant with a V8 engine that could push over 450 horsepower, making it a true muscle sedan. The interior of the new Bel Air is a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern luxury. The dashboard features a digital instrument cluster, a massive touchscreen infotainment system, and premium materials throughout the cabin. Leather seats, ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art sound system create an upscale driving experience. Chevrolet has also included advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a semi-autonomous driving mode, making the 2026 Bel Air not only stylish but also incredibly safe. When it comes to performance, the new Bel Air doesn't disappoint. Whether you choose the turbocharged 4-cylinder, the V6, or the high-performance V8, this sedan delivers a smooth yet exhilarating ride. The suspension is tuned for both comfort and sportiness, ensuring that whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on sharp corners, the Bel Air responds with confidence. The transmission options include a standard 8-speed automatic and an optional manual for those who love a more engaging driving experience. Chevrolet has also made sure the 2026 Bel Air is packed with technology. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a Wi-Fi hotspot for seamless connectivity. A premium Bose sound system, customizable digital displays, and an advanced navigation system add to the high-tech appeal. Pricing for the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air is expected to start around $35,000 for the base model, with higher trims and performance variants reaching up to $60,000. With its blend of retro charm, modern performance, and cutting-edge technology, the 2026 Bel Air is set to make a massive impact in the automotive world. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the return of the Chevrolet Bel Air? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.